Hello everyone. The topic is about transportation, the circulatory system. Transportation, the circulatory system. Right. So the topic is about blood vessels and circulation. Blood vessels and circulation. Okay, in year 1574, an Italian doctor called Girolamo Fabrici. His name is Girolamo Fabrici. He studied veins in legs. And observed that the blood is flowing in one direction only. He selected as experimental animal as frog. Okay, he selected the experimental animal as frog, and he studied the veins in legs. Already we know veins are the blood vessels which are carrying blood towards the heart that contain deoxygenated blood. And when he studied veins, he observed that veins contain structures called valves. Veins contain valves which allow the blood to flow in one direction only, and it prevents the backward flow. Whereas these valves are absent in arteries. These are present only in veins. And these valves allow the blood to flow in one direction only. But he did not recognize how the blood is circulating in heart. He understood that valves are the structures which are allowing the blood to flow in one direction only in veins. Later came another scientist, his student William Harvey. He observed the hearts of dead patients. He dissected the hearts of dead patients, and he observed that are there valves in the heart which are present in veins. How the veins contain valves, like that is the heart also contain valves. So he dissected the hearts of dead patients and understand that there are valves in heart. In those days, most of the people believed that the blood is absorbed by the body, which is wrong completely. The blood is absorbed by the body. Okay, so daily large amount of blood is absorbed by the body, and we are working because of this absorption, and again in the next morning again blood is forming. This is completely wrong. Then William Harvey said that blood is not absorbing by the body, blood is circulating in the body. And he also said that the blood circulation is called double circulation. Okay, why the blood circulation is double circulation is, according to William Harvey, double circulation, the circulation in which the blood goes to heart twice, is called double circulation. That consists of pulmonary circulation, where the exchange of blood between heart and lungs. Another one is the systemic circulation between heart and body parts. So like this, there is pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. That is why this is called double circulation. Okay, so we will draw the circuit, and the heart is called double circuit heart, and the circuit is called double circuit. We will draw how the blood is circulating. First of all, this is the body parts. From body parts, the blood is going to which place? So this is the heart, and these are the four chambers, right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. From all the body parts, veins collected deoxygenated blood. Which type of blood? Deoxygenated blood, and give to right auricle. From right auricle to right ventricle. From right ventricle, pulmonary artery carries this deoxygenated blood to lungs. In lungs, deoxygenated blood is converted into oxygenated blood, and this is collected by pulmonary vein and given to left auricle of heart. From left auricle, oxygenated blood enters into left ventricle. From left ventricle, through systemic artery or aorta, oxygenated blood is supplied to body parts. So here the blood is moved between heart and lungs. This is called pulmonary circulation. And another one is between heart and body parts. This is called systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation, systemic circulation. Okay, so systemic circulation is between heart and body parts. Pulmonary circulation is between heart and lungs. Right. Next. But William Harvey did not know how blood is moving to minute cells or minute tissues in our body. Then came another scientist called Marcello Malpighi. Actually, he discovered blood capillaries. He studied the wings of bats. And after he studying the wings of bats, he understood that these wings are richly supplied with blood vessels, and he collected those small blood vessels and under microscope, which are very microscopic, those blood vessels, and he called them as blood capillaries. Where capillary is a Latin word, which means hair. With the discovery of blood capillaries, the entire blood circulation is understood. Okay, this is about blood vessels and circulation. Okay, next we will discuss about T.s. of artery, T.s. of vein, and T.s. of blood capillary. T.s. of artery, T.s. of vein, T.s. of blood capillary. See, this is the T.s. of artery. This outermost one is the elastic fibrous coat, and this second layer is the muscle layer, and this one is endothelium lining, and this is the lumen. Okay, next. Okay, this is the T.s. of vein. The T.s. of vein consists of lumen, which is more than T.s. of artery, and this is the endothelium lining. This third one is the muscle layer, and this is the tough fibrous coat. Okay, so this is the T.s. of vein. T.s. of vein. Next, T.s. of blood capillary. T.s. of blood capillary. This is the T.s. of blood capillary, and this is the lumen and the endothelium lining. Okay, so T.s. of artery, T.s. of vein, T.s. of blood capillary, and we will discuss about another topic in the next class.